Hi everyone, this is Jack from Jack's Tech Reviews here, and today I'm going to show you the basics of iMovie. So this is going to show you how to use layers and transitions and titles in it. This is Apple's alternative to like Sony Vegas, and it's free with all MacBooks, so it just makes it even better because it's just free. So yeah. Right guys, so as you can see, I'm just going to drag and drop my photos straight into here. That's how you do it, just drag and drop. Simple as that. You can also find these in the Finder app in the bottom left corner of my screen if they don't come up in there. So yeah, right guys, so as you can see we have some titles up here. We have audio, titles, backgrounds and transformations. So if we start on titles, as you can see we have some here. So we have GarageBand, we have sound effects, and we have music as well. So if I go now, sound effects, let's find one I like. You won't be able to hear this, but yeah. Right, so let's take this one for example. Do the same, just drag and drop, just like that. You can also adjust it like just right. As you can see, it like lines up perfectly. Alright, so we got a few layers now. As you can see, we have the audio at the bottom and the video at the top. And it's labelled as well, which is pretty good. So if I go to the end here, as you can see, I can move the video, and I can also make it shorter to line up with the stuff. So yeah, as you can see, it's all in perfect condition. I can also turn the volume up and down. That's what happens when it's really loud. It goes yellow and red. And also I can make it so the audio goes down slightly towards the end, so this is good for like outros and stuff. So if we get another title bit now, I can select the title that I want, so that's put it right in the middle of the video now. So this is when you're like commentating over stuff and you want to like give a bit more information. So as you can see, I can just edit the text, simple as that. So I'll put an example, and as you can see the little white bit up here, and change the colour of it as well. It's pretty good, just like that. So let me just confirm that quickly. So if you come over here, as you can see you have these texts here, and I can just simply drag and drop just like usual. So if I drag to the start here, you got this, and this is to make like intros and stuff. So as you can see, if I just put Jack's video I can't spell, can't tell, but yeah, let me correct that quickly. You've got two options on this one, so let's put bad spelling because I can't spell. See, I can't spell. But yeah, and you can also change the colour on it, just like with the white bit, just like we did earlier. So we come over to backgrounds here. So let's choose one. Let's choose this one, the world map. So once again, just do the same, just drag, just like that. Oh, I don't know what happened there, but yeah. So as you can see, we have transitions now, and this is basically where you can transition your video. That's literally what transition is. So it transitions from scene to scene. So if we choose this one here, you just drag and drop just like normal. This way it's such a good editing software because it's just so simple to use. And you put one at the start as well. Let's put another one just before the end. So yeah, if we go back to titles here, we can also make an outro as well if we need to drag it in. But let's move on to music. It's like background noise. So if I show you quickly, let's go on to non-copyright sounds, because that's a very good site to use if you're a YouTuber, because you don't get copyright strikes on it and they're easy to use and download. So yeah, this is what I use. You just have to link them in the description and that'll be all good. So let's go on to it quickly. It's going to ask me to log in, so I'll do that in a minute. But for now, let's choose a song. So let's say I like this one. All I'll have to do is just download it. But first I have to log in. So I'll come back. Alright guys, so I'm now logged in. So it's going to ask me if I want to download it off Safari. So I'm going to click yes. And I'll come back once it's downloaded and show you my files. Right guys, so I'm now back in my files. And it's the same principle as last time. It's just here. So if I open iMovie, it's the same principle once again. I just drag and drop straight in there. But yeah, this time I'm gonna have to like adjust it a bit more. When we go in, we win in the match, so that's how we do, cause we be the best. We be the best, yeah, we be the best. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm just gonna click into play. It also lines up perfectly with that little line there. And I can once again adjust the sound, and I can also make it, this little dot here, I can make it so it starts off with a lower volume and it ends up with a higher once you get into the video a bit more, which is quite helpful. Alright guys, so I believe that's completely got a good amount of layers, sound, audio and video. So if you come up here to the share button, I would personally recommend clicking this option, export the file, so you can name it. You have a few options down here. I would recommend sending to these options. These are the best options if you're going to send it off in an email or post it as a YouTube video. But yeah, I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. I'm a fairly new Mac user myself. I've only been using Macs for about 2 years now. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and if you could drop a like and subscribe, that'd be a massive help. I'd like to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Yeah. Thanks for watching guys. It means a lot. This video was also edited in iMovie, so yeah, that just shows how good it is.